All right, I'm back with part 2. So as I was saying, this car I'm gonna open it. I actually was trying to bid on the first time I bought from this seller, but unfortunately didn't work out too well. I got a bid on it, so at least I won it this time. Now we have the Sweet 16 too. There is no way somebody paid $5 for this. That's crazy. That's too much money. This is worth 50 cents. This is not worth $5. So somebody paid $5 because they were nuts. Whoever it was. I mean, I'm pretty sure that maybe there was somebody at a flea market that was selling this for $5, but these are worth about $1. These are not worth $5 at all. I mean, maybe they thought this one was more rare. This is a Sweet 16 too. I don't really know. It's pretty nice. We have the Rigger motor, number 852. This is a nice looking car. It's from the late 90s. Gotta get it open. Oh, just slid right open, to be honest. It seemed like it was already kind of open already. We have the Rigger motor. Now, let's see. What else do we have here? We have the Express Lane. This is a cute little shopping wagon, similar to what you would see at a supermarket. These are very, very, very interesting models. Again, this is kind of open too, but this is a very interesting model. I really like this model quite a lot. This is always one of my favorite 90s models because of the way it is, the size and stuff. Now we have the Dogfighter from the Flying Aces series, number 738. Pretty cool. Let me get this open. Here it is. Now we have like 6 more cars left. So we have the Callaway C7, number 677. Pretty nice. The Baby Boomer, 1999 first editions, number 680. Pretty cool. No more $5 price tags at least, so that's good. At least somebody didn't pay $5 for this one. I don't think so, at least. Now, the problem with this one is the axles bend very, very easily on this, and you have to be really careful with it because the axles do bend. Then we have the Opel Kadett GC GT. It looks like we have some dirt in the bottom of the package here, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to open it up. I already have one of these in orange. This is pretty nice. Then we have the BMW 507, new for 2023. A couple of years old, not bad. I think you guys might have seen this in an earlier video I made. It's pretty nice. Then we have the last 2 cars here. We have the Lakester, 1988 first editions, number 647. Now this one, the hood opens, but you have to be careful because you can easily lose the parts of the hood. Happens quite a lot. And then we have the What a Drag, the last one, which is number 673 of this video. Another pretty nice car. I like the fine name. I gotta check to see if there's any missing. I think there were a couple that were out of stock. But here's the Ninja Ranger and White Ranger, and this is the cars I got today, guys. Have a good day.